English-Finnish polite requests. Can you, equals.
Voitteko?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language coach. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus practice. Today you'll master the polite English-Finnish request, can you, which in Finnish is
Voitteko?
We'll play with real situations, add a beat, and keep it funny so it sticks. Your goal today. Let's set a clear target so you can use it today. Understand and pronounce.
Voitteko?
Clearly and politely. Switch styles. Formal.
Voitteko?
Informal.
Voitko?
Extra polite.
Voisitteko?
Plug in action verbs.
Auttaa.
Help.
Avata.
Open.
Kertoa.
Tell.
Näyttää.
Show. Forms. Polite versus informal. You've got options, pick the tone that fits the moment. Formal, polite.
Voitteko?
Example. Can you open the window? Quote.
Voitteko avata ikkunan?
Quote. Informal.
Voitko?
Example. Can you help me? Quote.
Voitko auttaa minua?
Quote. Extra polite, conditional.
Voisitteko?
Example. Could you tell me the time, please? Quote.
Voisitteko kertoa minulle ajan, kiitos.
Quote. Mini dialogues you can steal. Listen, repeat, and imagine you're there. At the window, excuse me.
Voitteko avata?
Akunan, can you open the window? At the info desk, hi.
Voitteko auttaa?
Loitamaan huwanin, can you help me find the room? On the phone, hey.
Voitteko kertoa?
Minulle ajan, kiitos, can you tell me the time, please? On the street, antiiksi.
Voitteko näyttää?
Minulle asman, can you show me the station? With a friend, informal.
Voitko auttaa?
Hetkeksi, can you help for a moment? Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and ride the words. Clap 1, 2, 3, speak on 4, 1, 2, 3.
Voitteko?
Quote. Now plug in a verb. 1, 2, 3.
Voitteko avata?
Question mark quote. Rhyme to remember. When in a queue and don't know what to do, start with.
Voitteko?
Politeness gets you through. Culture tip. Polite vibes. Sound respectful, get quicker help. In Finland, starting a request with
Voitteko?
feels courteous, like, could you please, in English. Add a soft tone, a small nod, maybe a gentle, please.
Ole hyvä.
At the end if needed. Polite magic key unlocked. Quick quiz. Test yourself, answer out loud. Q1. What's the Finnish formal phrase for, can you? Question mark quote. A.
Voitteko?
Q2. Make it extra polite, could you? Question mark quote. A.
Voisitteko?
Q3. Say, can you help me, formally? A.
Voitteko auttaa?
Minua? Q4. Say, can you tell me the time, please, extra polite? A.
Voisitteko kertoa?
Minulle ajan, kiitos? Q5. Informal with a friend, can you open the door? A.
Voitko avata?
Oven? Tiny story break. Let's make it memorable with a smile. A low battery robot rolls up holding a please charge sign and keeps repeating.
Voitteko?
Everyone laughs, and someone plugs it in. Politeness saves the day. Challenge. Your turn. Now you lead, speak confidently. 1. Ask a librarian to show you the map. Start with.
Voitteko.
And use.
Näyttää.
2. Ask a barista to open a window. Start with.
Voitteko.
And use.
Avata.
3. Call reception and ask the time very politely. Start with.
Voisitteko.
And use.
Kertoa.
Bonus informal. Ask a friend for quick help using.
Voitko.
And.
Auttaa.
Wrap up and good vibes. You did great. Lock it in with one last repeat. Key phrase.
Voitteko.
Plus variations.
Voitko. Voisitteko.
Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, stay polite, and you'll get help fast. For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Kiitos.